Hey guys, welcome to Top Express Reviews. In this video, I'll show you the top 5 best video camera for filming games, training sessions, or outdoor adventures with intense movement and unpredictable conditions. All the products mentioned are linked in the description below. Alright, let's get started. Number 1. Insta360 X5 Video Camera. The Insta360 X5 Video Camera stands out as a practical choice for users already invested in the Insta360 ecosystem, particularly those using the X2 series. Its strength lies in ecosystem compatibility rather than raw standalone specs. The included 1630 mAh original battery delivers consistent power output, allowing extended shooting sessions without frequent interruptions, which is crucial for long outdoor recordings or sports events. One of the more useful additions is the fast charging box, significantly reducing downtime and ensuring the camera is always ready when needed. Audio performance is also improved through ambient noise reduction technology, helping capture clearer sound even in moderately noisy environments. This model also shines with its complete accessory kit, making it a cost-effective bundle for beginners or intermediate users who want everything in one package. However, it's important to note that much of its value depends on compatibility with the Insta360 X2. Number 2. AUSEK 1050 mAh Video Camera. The AUSEK 1050 mAh video camera delivers a strong balance between performance and affordability, especially for action and outdoor enthusiasts. Its standout feature is the ability to record in 5K at 30 FPS and 4K at 60 FPS, providing sharp and smooth footage suitable for fast-paced environments like cycling, hiking, or water sports. The 170 degrees wide-angle lens captures expansive scenes, which is particularly useful for immersive footage without needing multiple cameras. Another major advantage is its 30-meter waterproof capability, making it a solid option for diving or snorkeling without requiring additional housing. The dual IPS touch LCD screens improve usability, allowing easy framing, navigation, and playback from both front and rear perspectives. Electronic image stabilization, EIS, further enhances video quality by minimizing shake, which is essential when recording during movement. Number 3. SJCAM C200 Pro Video Camera. The SJCAM C200 Pro video camera is designed with portability and simplicity in mind, making it a practical choice for beginners and casual users. Weighing under 100 grams, it is extremely lightweight and compact, allowing easy mounting on helmets, bikes, or even clothing for hands-free recording. Despite its small size, it supports 4K video recording at 24 FPS, which is adequate for basic action footage and everyday use. Its waterproof capability up to 30 meters adds versatility, enabling underwater shooting without additional accessories. The 135-degree wide-angle lens captures a decent field of view, though it is slightly narrower compared to some competitors. Built-in Wi-Fi support allows quick file transfers and remote control via mobile devices, which enhances convenience. However, the camera lacks a touchscreen and advanced connectivity features like Bluetooth or NFC, which may limit user experience for those expecting modern interface controls. Number 4. SJCAM Flagship Video Camera. The SJCAM Flagship Video Camera offers a more refined experience compared to entry-level models, focusing on balanced performance and added functionality. With 4K recording at 30 FPS, it delivers clear and stable footage suitable for a wide range of activities, including outdoor sports, cycling, and travel vlogging. One of its key advantages is the inclusion of an expandable microphone option, allowing users to significantly improve audio quality, an essential feature for content creators. The removable battery design adds flexibility, making it easier to swap batteries during long shooting sessions.
Its waterproof capability up to 30 meters ensures durability for underwater use, while the built-in display screen enhances usability by allowing real-time monitoring and playback. Although it lacks Bluetooth and NFC connectivity, the camera compensates with straightforward functionality and reliable performance. The operating temperature range also makes it suitable for various environments, from cold outdoor settings to warm climates.
Number 5. ORDRO M5 Video Camera. The ORDRO M5 Video Camera positions itself as a feature-rich option for users seeking advanced recording capabilities and versatility. Equipped with a Sony CMOS 8-megapixel sensor, it delivers impressive video performance, including 5K at 30 FPS and 4K at 60 FPS, ensuring high-quality output for both professional and enthusiast-level projects. The 3-axis anti-shake system provides multiple stabilization modes, including face tracking and PTZ control, which significantly enhances video smoothness and subject tracking. A standout feature is its infrared night vision capability, allowing recording in low light or completely dark environments, something rarely found in this category. The 3.5-inch IPS touchscreen improves usability, offering clear visuals and intuitive controls. Additionally, the support for external microphones and large-capacity memory cards up to 512 gigabytes makes it highly adaptable for extended shoots. And that wraps up the top 5 best video camera for sports. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe to Top Express Reviews, and turn on notifications so you never miss new content. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.